Today, you do not see any member of parliament or any member of any legislature talk independently of the ruler of the day. So that is one great loss, a great self-inflicted loss that this republic has suffered. And I know that Goa is one of the forerunners of changing majorities, of transient majorities. But if you think long and hard about it, it may be better that your representatives at least work towards balancing people's hold on power. Even if they gravitate towards power, they can gravitate towards another power as well. The sense of a parliamentary system is that whoever heads it is not an all-powerful figure who can make or break other members of parliament or of legislature. This anti-defection law has also now contributed towards making the prime ministership or the presidentship. Yesterday, the cabinet passed a resolution in Hindi hailing what happened in the consecration of the temple. But there's a very curious sentence therein, and I read it in the original. हम कह सकते हैं कि 1947 में इस देश में शरीर स्वतंत्र हुआ और अब इसमें आत्मा का प्राण प्रतिष्ठा हुआ है। इस सभी को आत्मिक आनंद की अनुभूति हद हुई है। So we have today a cabinet which believes that from 1947 till 2024, we just had a kind of physical freedom. We didn't have a soul. That soul has now been imbued through a temple by a prime minister who is, quite frankly, the primus inter partes, the first among equals in the executive. This reminded me of a very famous episode from Maratha history. The greatest of the Maratha judges was Ram Shastri Prabune. And one of the greatest of the Maratha Peshwas at that point of time was on the throne. That was Peshwa Madhav Rao. Ram Shastri Prabune once came to talk about state business with the Peshwa, and the Peshwa was not available because the Peshwa was indulging in tap. The next day, when Ram Shastri came back, he told the Peshwa, "Amala parwangi dya, Kashila jayatsa." He wanted leave to go off to Kashi so that he could resign his job. So the Peshwa asked him, "Have I committed any fault?" And he said, and so Ram Shastri told him that, "Look, in our faith, there is tap. There are austerities, and I can teach you all of them. Come with me. Leave the Peshwahood and come with me to Kashi. I will teach you everything. But when you are Peshwa, when you rule the kingdom, your duty is to the kingdom alone, and not even religious ceremonies can distract you from that." Today, unfortunately, there is no Ram Shastri. And I am very doubtful that there is a Madhav Rao. We are a nation of people who, if not cynical, have a genuine disbelief. The founding canons of even the organizations that currently rule ask that fundamental question: Vyakti bada ya Sangh? Sangh bada ya Desh?
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.